Hey, what's up guys, welcome to FineGap YouTube channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you how you can create this type of navbar in your HTML and CSS. So friends, navbar is one of the most important thing in your website, and I have used CSS Flexbox system. So if you want to learn, make sure to watch the video till end. Let's start. So friends, first of all, you can see that I have created a simple HTML structure for my page, and here I have a folder named website. One file is index.html and second is images folder, and inside the images folder I have an image buildings.jpg. I will use this image as a background, and finally I have create one more file in my folder. Just click on new file and type here style.css. Okay, next just include this file to my HTML page. Just type here link href and style.css. Next, just open style.css and add these properties: box sizing, border box, padding 0 and margin 0. Next, type here your body element name, background, image, URL, and give the URL of our image because our image exists in images folder. That's why I have typed images / buildings.jpg. Let's click on index.html so I can see the output. Here you can see that there is nothing in my page. Sorry, we have to save our style.css to see the changes. You can see the image, but to display it properly, just type here background size cover. I just have give this property background size cover, so you can see now it's looking fine. Next, just open index.html and inside your body type here navbar and then type here h2 fine gap, create a UL element here, add a link inside this list item and type here home. Next, type here testimonials, show history. I just have type random words here, and finally type here a, and inside this create a button like contact us. Okay, you can see at the top left side, first of all I will comment in my style.css the background image so you can understand the tutorial correctly. You can see that this is just a basic HTML elements. Next, we have to open our style.css and type here navbar display flag. You can see that these elements are aligned in a line. Justify content, space between. Next, we have to give a class to these list item like list _item. I will copy this class and give this class to each of my list item. Next, open the style.css and here type dot, just copy this class name and paste here and type display inline block. You can see our list items are inline. Next, type here list item a text decoration none. It will remove the underline from our list items. Next, inside the navbar just type here align items center. It will align all your items to the center. Friends, we have to remove this navbar element from here and type here header, because there is no element that exists in HTML with name navbar. That's nav. It's my a little bit mistake, and you have to type this element name here header. That's it. Next, here we have to type padding 0 pixel and 20 pixel, background color black in our header section. Give a class to our this logo. Copy this class, open style.css and type here dot logo color white. Next, to your header tag give a padding like 15 pixel or 20 pixel. Inside the class dot list item and a type here color white, text font size 18 pixel. And next we have to use a Google font for our these text. Just open the Google font website. You can just simply type Google font in Google. Open the first link, click on the fonts and search here your desired font. I'm going to search here Montserrat. Just select this font, scroll down, and suppose I want to add this medium 500. Click on import, copy this line, open your style.css and in the top section press enter and paste this link here. By pasting this link here, you can use the font that you have added Montserrat to your website. Just from here just select font family and inside your all section just paste this font family here. Because I want to give this font to my each of my text, that's why I have pasted this font family to my asterisk tag. But suppose if you want to give this font family property to a specific element like your heading or these list items, you just need to paste this line at that specific tag style. Yeah, it's looking cool, but still we have to add some more line of code to complete this. And next I will design a button here. Just copy this button tag, open style.css, type here button, and give background color red, padding 12 pixel and 16 pixel. You can see the output. Next type here border none, border radius 20 pixel, color white, and font weight 500. And at the last I want that when my user will hover on these list items, I want them to change their colors. Let me show you how to do this. So first of all, I will type here, I will copy this list item A, paste this here, colon, hover, color, red. You can see that when I'm hovering on these list items, their colors is changing. And suppose if I will type here transition all 0.7 second, the color will took 0.7 seconds in the transition. Similarly, I will give this transition to my this button. Just type here button, copy this button tag and type here button and type here colon hover. Type background color white, color black, and also copy this transition property and paste this inside your button style. Let's see the output. So friends, at finally I will just uncomment my these lines so you can see a background image as well. So friends, I hope you must enjoyed this video, and if you have any question related to this tutorial, you can ask us in the comment section. I recommend you just practice this because practice makes a man perfect. And W3 School is best website to learn CSS. But you can see that we have created a beautiful navigation menu by using HTML and CSS only. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel and share this video with your those friends who want to learn web development. And finally, thanks for watching.